You wake up feeling exhausted, even after what should have been enough sleep. Your body feels heavy, and your mind takes time to fully wake up. This has become a normal experience for many people, but it should not be. In good energy, this constant fatigue is not random, it is a signal. Your body is communicating that something is out of balance. Ignoring that signal only allows the problem to grow over time. Understanding this is the first step toward real change. Many daily habits quietly reduce your energy without you noticing. Late night screen use interferes with your sleep quality. Processed foods create unstable energy throughout the day. Constant stress keeps your body in a heightened state. These patterns combine to disrupt your natural systems. Over time, this leads to consistent fatigue. The book makes it clear that your habits shape your energy more than you think. The book introduces a deeper perspective on energy. It explains that your energy begins at the cellular level. Each cell in your body requires proper fuel and conditions to function. When your cells are healthy, you feel alert and energized. But when they are stressed or damaged, you feel tired and sluggish. This means energy is not just about motivation or willpower, it is about supporting your body at its most basic level. Food plays a central role in your energy levels. Processed foods often cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. These spikes are followed by crashes that leave you feeling drained. Whole foods, on the other hand, provide steady and consistent energy. The book emphasizes making simple improvements rather than drastic changes. Over time, these improvements support better energy, and better energy leads to better performance in daily life. Stress is not just mental, it has physical effects on your body. When you are constantly stressed, your body remains in a heightened state. This consumes energy and limits recovery. Over time, this can lead to burnout. The book explains that managing stress is essential for maintaining energy. Without it, even healthy habits may not be enough. Addressing stress allows your body to function more efficiently. Modern life often separates you from natural rhythms. You spend long hours indoors under artificial light. This affects your sleep cycle and overall energy levels. Sunlight and movement play a key role in regulating your body. The book highlights how reconnecting with these elements improves energy. Even small changes can make a noticeable difference, and over time, these changes support better health. Many people rely on caffeine or sugar to stay energized. While these may provide short-term boosts, they do not solve the underlying problem. In fact, they often make energy crashes worse. The book emphasizes that real energy comes from balance, not stimulation. Sustainable energy requires addressing the root causes, and that requires a more intentional approach. Fatigue is not something to ignore. It is information. Your body is constantly communicating with you. When you feel tired, there is a reason behind it. Paying attention to these signals creates awareness, and awareness allows you to make better decisions. This shift in mindset is important. It changes how you respond to your energy levels. The most important message is that you are not stuck feeling this way. Your energy can improve with the right changes. These changes do not have to be overwhelming. Small, consistent adjustments can create real progress. Over time, these improvements add up, and that creates momentum. This is where transformation begins. Understanding the problem is only the first step. The next step is applying practical solutions. What changes actually improve your energy, and how do you make them part of your daily life? These questions are important because knowledge alone is not enough. Improving your energy begins with your nutrition. The book emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods as the foundation. These foods provide steady fuel for your body. Unlike processed foods, they do not create sharp spikes and crashes. Small dietary changes can have a big impact over time. Consistency matters more than perfection. Movement is essential for maintaining energy. It helps regulate your body and supports overall health. Even simple activities like walking can make a difference. Movement improves circulation and reduces stress. The book highlights that you do not need intense workouts to benefit. Consistent, moderate activity is enough. Quality sleep is one of the most important factors for energy. It allows your body to recover and reset. Without it, fatigue becomes unavoidable. The book emphasizes creating a consistent sleep routine. This includes reducing screen time before bed. Over time, better sleep leads to better energy. Managing stress is a key part of improving energy. Simple practices like breathing exercises can help calm your system. These practices reduce the physical effects of stress. Over time, this allows your body to function more efficiently. The book emphasizes consistency in these practices. Even a few minutes a day can make a difference. Daily habits shape your energy levels. A structured routine reduces decision fatigue. This makes it easier to stay consistent. The book encourages building simple, repeatable habits. Over time, these habits become automatic and they create a stable foundation for energy. Improving your energy is not an instant process. It requires patience and consistency. Small improvements add up over time. At first, the changes may feel subtle, but they become more noticeable with consistency. This gradual progress is important. It creates lasting results. As you apply these changes, you begin to notice improvements. Your energy becomes more stable, your mind feels clearer, you feel more capable of handling daily tasks. These changes reinforce your efforts and they motivate you to continue. More energy leads to more action. You become more productive and engaged. This creates positive momentum, and that momentum leads to further improvement. Over time, this cycle becomes self sustaining. Consistency is what maintains results. Reflecting on your progress helps reinforce habits. It reminds you of how far you have come. This creates motivation to continue and it keeps you moving forward. But the most meaningful change is still ahead. It is not just about feeling better physically, it is about changing how you live and think. Because once your energy improves, everything else begins to shift. At this stage, energy is no longer something you constantly think about or chase. It becomes part of how you live your life on a daily basis. You wake up feeling more refreshed, and your mornings begin with intention instead of struggle. The habits you built earlier now work in the background, supporting you without constant effort. You are no longer relying on quick fixes like caffeine or sugar to get through the day. Instead, your body provides steady, reliable energy. This shift feels subtle at first, but over time, it becomes your new normal. And once it becomes your normal, it changes how you approach everything. With more consistent energy, your ability to perform improves naturally. You are able to focus for longer periods without feeling drained or distracted. Tasks that once felt overwhelming become more manageable and structured. You begin to approach your work with clarity instead of pressure. This leads to higher quality results and more efficient use of your time. The difference is not just in how much you do, but in how well you do it. Over time, this improved performance creates confidence in your abilities, and that confidence reinforces your commitment to maintaining your energy. Energy does not just affect your productivity, it affects how you connect with others. When you feel better physically, you become more present in conversations. You listen more carefully and respond more thoughtfully. This creates deeper and more meaningful connections. People notice the difference in your energy and presence. You are no longer distracted or mentally drained during interactions. Instead, you bring focus and attention into your relationships. And over time, this strengthens the quality of those connections. One of the most powerful changes is how you handle stress. Situations that once triggered immediate reactions now feel more manageable. You create space between what happens and how you respond. This allows you to think clearly before acting. Your decisions become more intentional rather than impulsive. This shift reduces unnecessary stress and conflict, and it creates a sense of control that was not there before. Over time, this becomes one of your greatest strengths. With stable energy, consistency becomes easier to maintain. You no longer rely on bursts of motivation to take action. Instead, you show up regularly and make steady progress. This consistency leads to meaningful results over time. Goals that once felt distant begin to feel achievable. Each small step builds on the last, and this creates momentum that keeps you moving forward. This is where real transformation happens, not in sudden bursts, but in steady progress. As your energy improves, your awareness also increases. You begin to notice how different habits affect how you feel. You recognize patterns that either support or drain your energy. This awareness allows you to make better choices. You become more intentional in how you live your life. Instead of reacting automatically, you act with purpose. This level of awareness creates long-term stability, and it helps you maintain your progress over time. When your energy improves, it does not just impact you. The people around you begin to notice the change. They see your consistency, your focus, and your calm presence. This often inspires curiosity and conversation. You may find yourself sharing what you have learned, not by forcing advice, but through your actions. This creates a ripple effect. Your progress begins to influence others in a positive way. Even with progress, the journey does not end. Each day presents a new opportunity to apply what you have learned. There will still be challenges and setbacks, but now you have the tools to handle them. You approach each day with more awareness and intention. This creates a sense of momentum, and that momentum keeps you moving forward. Growth becomes part of your daily life. Perhaps the most valuable outcome is your ability to be present. You are no longer constantly distracted or overwhelmed. Instead, you are fully engaged in what you are doing. This makes everyday experiences more meaningful. It reduces unnecessary stress and increases clarity. Presence allows you to enjoy the moment while still working toward your goals. And over time, it becomes one of your greatest strengths. This book is not just about improving your energy levels, it is about understanding your body and working with it instead of against it. It shows that energy is not something you force, it is something you build. When you support your body properly, everything begins to improve. Your focus becomes sharper, your actions become more consistent, and your life becomes more intentional. These changes may seem small at first, but they have a lasting impact. And over time, they create a completely different experience of life. If you made it this far, take a moment to think about one small change you can make today. It could be improving your sleep, changing your diet, or managing stress more effectively. The key is to start small and stay consistent. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you enjoy deep, practical book breakdowns like this, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.